around us.
Do you know that there are many things in space which you may have never seen or known of their existence?
Yes, the study of astronomy enhances our awareness of the beauty and vastness of God's creation of the universe.
Oh, by the way, can I ask you a question?
Yes?
What do galaxies mean? Where is our solar system located? How do the formation of birth and death of stars happen? How do the stars differ from? I don't understand.
Wait. Let's watch this video till the end to find out the answers.
Okay.
There are millions of galaxies in the universe. What do galaxies mean? A galaxy is a set of bodies consisting of millions of stars with gas and dust particles. Galaxies come in many forms, such as spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. Our solar system is situated in the Milky Way galaxy.
Types of galaxies: spiral, Andromeda and Milky Way; elliptical, Ursa Major and Messier 87; irregular, small Magellanic Cloud and large Magellanic Cloud.
What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is a medium-large spiral galaxy. It is located at the edge of one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way. It consists of approximately 200 billion stars and sun in it. Stars. How do the birth and death of stars happen? Let us study the life cycle of stars. The life cycle of a star. Nebular hypothesis.
Birth of stars.
Stars are formed from nebulae. Nebulae are large clouds consisting of dust particles and gases such as hydrogen and helium.
The gases and dust particles in a nebula are pulled by a strong gravitational force which causes it to form a globe. The strong gravitational force causes the globe of gas to shrink and compress until it becomes very dense and forms a core. The core shrinks and becomes dense due to the increasing strength of the gravitational force. Temperature and pressure in the core become too high. A nuclear reaction will take place. Hydrogen gas turns into helium. A huge amount of heat energy and light is released. The core will shine and a star is formed. The star that is formed is known as a protostar. This new star continues to expand and becomes either an average star like the sun or a massive star.
Death of stars. In a star, a lot of heat is generated which will heat up the outermost layer of the star. As a result, hydrogen within this layer starts to burn. This causes the star to expand. During this stage, the star appears red in color and is called a red giant. If the red giant is not massive, a white dwarf is formed. However, if the red giant is big enough, it contracts so quickly that a big explosion called a supernova occurs. A supernova is extremely bright. It can be seen in daylight. As a result of the explosion, a neutron star is formed if the original star is a large star. If the original star is a super large star, a black hole is formed. It is called a black hole because light in it cannot escape. Any matter that enters it cannot escape too.
The universe is beautiful and unique. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way is one of the many galaxies in the universe. In the Milky Way, there is a solar system which consists of 8 planets that orbit the Sun, and this includes the Earth where we live in. The Earth is smaller than a speck of dust in the universe. Can you imagine how vast this universe created by God is? We can never see the end of it. We should be thankful for the beauty of this universe, which is a symbol of God's supremacy.
Have you ever observed the stars in the sky at night? If you look closely, some stars appear bright while some appear dim. These stars can be classified based on their characteristics. There are 5 characteristics, which are size, color, brightness, temperature, and distance.
Husna!
Hi! Generally, stars have colors that correspond to the surface temperature, which ranges from a lower to higher temperature.
Hey Hasna, can you explain about the sizes of stars?
Yes, why not? Stars have different sizes. The really big ones called supergiant stars. Big stars are called giant stars, while the really small ones called the dwarf stars.
The brightness of a star depends on its size, distance, and surface temperature. The brightest stars in the sky are Sirius and Rigel.
Welcome to Science News 2019. Haikal, may we have an interview with you?
Yes.
When did the Hubble Space Telescope was launched on?
The Hubble Space Telescope was launched on 21st of April 1990.
Can you explain about the telescope?
This telescope is so powerful that it could see a coin from 725 kilometers away.
Thank you, Haikal.
Welcome.
Hi Hasna, how are you today?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. By the way, thanks for recommending me this video. I have understand more about stars and galaxies in our universe.
That's great. So, what is your conclusion for this video?
There is various types of stars and galaxies in our universe, but the galaxy that's where all planets, including our Earth, is called the Milky Way.
Yeah, that's right. By the way, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe in.
Okay. Milky Way is of large.
I do.
Hi. Generally, stars.
Example,